This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix common SolidWorks license errors using easy methods. First, if you encounter a standalone license file failure, navigate to your C drive, then the Program Data folder. Locate and remove any temporary license files, typically with a lick extension. Next, check the SolidWorks installation folder within Program Files for similar files. Removing these temporary files, which often expire, should allow SolidWorks to launch correctly. If you receive a could not obtain a license error, especially with a network license, the issue often lies with the license server. First, confirm that the Solid Network License Manager service is running on your server. Next, ensure your client machine is correctly configured to point to the server's name and the default port, which is 25734. Finally, check your firewall settings. Ports 25734 and 25735 must allow inbound and outbound connections. An activation count exceeded error typically means your license is active on too many machines. The easiest fix is to deactivate the license on the old computer before activating it on a new one. You can do this by going to the Help menu, selecting Licenses, and then Deactivate. If your old computer is no longer available, you will need to contact your SolidWorks reseller for assistance in resetting your activation count. For persistent issues, ensure your Solid Network License Manager version is the same or newer than your SolidWorks installation for compatibility. If you suspect a service conflict, navigate to your SolidWorks FlexNet server folder and run server remove, then server install batch files as an administrator. This resets the license service. As a last resort, use the SolidWorks Installation Manager to repair your installation, which can fix corrupted files or registry entries.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.